Every single day, life pulls you in 1,000 different directions. People expect things. Responsibilities grow heavier. Noise surrounds you. Opinions overwhelm you. And you slowly start drifting away from the most important person in your life. Yourself. But stop for a moment. Breathe. Ask yourself, when was the last time you truly focused on you? Not on what others wanted. Not on what the world demanded. But what you needed to grow, to heal, to rise. Because here's a truth many people ignore. Your life will only improve when you improve. Your world will only get better when you get better. Change doesn't start from outside, it starts from within. You don't need permission to work on yourself. You don't need approval to choose yourself. You don't need validation from anyone to grow into the person you want to become. Think about it. Every dream you have, every future you imagine, every version of yourself you admire, all of it depends on your focus. And if you keep giving your attention to everything except your own growth, how will your life ever change? You are not stuck. You are not broken. You are simply distracted. Distracted by people who don't value you. Distracted by problems that drain you. Distracted by the past that no longer deserves your energy. And distracted by the idea that you must keep everyone happy while you abandon yourself. But listen carefully. The moment you shift your focus back to your goals, your habits, your growth, your healing, your entire life will begin to transform. When you start reading instead of scrolling, when you start working on your dreams instead of wasting your days, when you start saying no to the things that hurt you, when you start choosing peace over drama, when you start investing your time in learning, in discipline, in better routines, your self-worth rises, your confidence grows, your life expands. Focusing on yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary. Because if you don't build your own life, someone else will use your time to build theirs. If you don't prioritize yourself, you become an option in your own story. If you don't take control, life will control you. You deserve a life where you wake up proud of who you are. You deserve relationships where you feel respected and appreciated. You deserve opportunities that align with your purpose. You deserve a future built intentionally, not accidentally. But none of that happens without focus. Not the kind of focus that lasts a day. Not the kind of motivation that comes and goes. But consistent, disciplined, intentional focus, the kind that builds a stronger you. And yes, it's not easy. Some days you'll feel tired. Some days you won't see progress. Some days you will feel alone because growth often requires distance. But you must remember, every time you choose yourself, you move one step closer to a life you're proud of. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for someone to save you. Stop waiting for life to magically change. You are the moment. You are the answer. You are the change maker. Focus on your health. Focus on your peace. Focus on your goals. Focus on your discipline. Focus on your improvement. Because the more you grow, the more your life will open. The more you heal, the stronger you become. The more you invest in yourself, the richer your future becomes. This is your reminder. Your life is your responsibility. Your growth is your job. Your dreams are your duty. Nobody is coming to do it for you. This is your time to rise. This is your time to build. This is your time to choose you. So now, take a deep breath. Look at your life with honesty and decide right now that you're done living on autopilot. You're done being distracted. You're done giving your energy to things that don't matter. From today forward, your focus is you. Start with small steps. Improve one habit. Remove one distraction. Say yes to one opportunity and say no to anything that sabotages your growth. Because one focused step today will change your entire tomorrow. Now go rebuild yourself. Go strengthen your mind. Go shape your future. Go create the life you dream of. Your transformation begins the moment you choose to focus on yourself, modify yourself, and watch your entire life evolve.